Hello everyone, welcome back to Vinicius. If you have been thinking programming start చేయాలి కానీ ఏ లాంగ్వేజ్ నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేయాలో తెలియట్లేదు, then this video is for you. Today we are going to learn the basics of Python. We'll see why Python is so popular, where it is used, and a few important concepts every beginner should know. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, why is everyone talking about Python? Imagine you are learning your very first programming language. Would you choose something that's difficult and confusing? Of course not. That's exactly why Python is loved by beginners. Python code is very simple. In fact, when you look at Python code, it almost feels like you're reading English. And Python isn't just for students, it's used by software developers, AI engineers, cybersecurity professionals, and even automation experts. Companies like Google, Netflix, and NASA use Python in different projects. Another reason is its huge community. Whenever you are stuck, you will find thousands of tutorials, YouTube videos, and answers online. That's why Python is one of the best programming languages to start your coding journey. Now, let's understand three important concepts in Python. The first one is variables. Think of a variable as a container. For example, if I want to store my name, my age, or my marks, I don't write them again and again. I simply store them inside a variable. Easy, right? The second concept is control structure. Suppose you are writing a program that checks whether a student passed or failed. If the marks are about 35, show pass, otherwise show fail. This kind of decision making is done using the control structures like if statements. Similarly, if you want to repeat the same task multiple times, we use loops. The third concept is functions and modules. Instead of writing the same code again and again, we can write it once inside a function and reuse it whenever we need it. Modules are simply collections of useful functions that Python already provides. If you understand these three concepts well, your Python foundations becomes very strong. Now, let's see a simple Python program. The first line prints hello world. This is the first program almost every programmer writes while learning a new language. Next, we are creating two variables. One stores the language name and other stores the version number. Using an F string, we are displaying both values together. Finally, we create two numbers and add them together. The output shows the sum. See how simple the code looks? That's one of the biggest reasons why beginners love Python. Now, let's quickly look at some amazing features of Python. The first feature is simple and readable syntax. Python code is clean and easy to understand. Second is extensive standard library. Python already provides many built-in libraries, so we don't have to write everything from scratch. Third is cross-platform compatibility. Whether you are using Windows, Mac, or Linux, Python works almost the same everywhere. And finally, large community support. Millions of developers use Python, so if you ever face an error, there is a very high chance someone has already solved it online. These features make Python one of the most powerful and beginner-friendly programming languages. So, how can you start learning Python today? It's actually very simple. Go to the official Python website and download Python. After installing it, you can write your code using IDLE or Visual Studio Code. Start with small programs. Practice every single day. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Every programmer was once a beginner. And if you want step-by-step Python tutorials explained in simple language, don't forget to subscribe to Vinicius. So that's all for today's video. I hope you now have a clear idea about what Python is and why it's one of the best programming languages to learn. In the next videos, we'll learn Python step by step with practical examples. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Vinicius. Also, let me know in the comments whether you're completely new to Python or you have already started learning. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding!